Hi. This video is for all you women who hate having protein powder during pregnancy, who are just having it because the gynec has recommended and have bad aversion towards it or have some kind of gastric problems, acidity, not able to digest it, don't like the taste, are confused to have it with milk or with water. Why do we need to have it? Is it a market gimmick? But we are having the right amount of protein as such in our diet, but we are non vegetarians. Is it really important to have it? Yes, it's really important to have it. So you need to understand that it's not just you, it's also the baby and the placenta that's growing. And the first 26 to 28 weeks are really, really important. And you actually need to have a good protein intake. I also understand that having the regular protein every single day, morning and evening, especially for those of you who haven't taken it before pregnancy, can be tough. So we are going to try these ways and these twigs that might add some flavor that might interest you into protein powder, and I hope this helps. So let's just begin. This is one of my favorite recipes. Most of you can like it, I hope. So it begins with, of course, the protein powder. How much ever. I take 1 scoop, but you can take how much ever. Then we're going to add the very famous Greek yogurt. Mine is the Epigamia unflavored Greek yogurt. Not promoting, just my usual. How much should you take it? Just eyeball it. I am obsessed with anything yogurt, curd base. So I add a bit of chia seeds because I like the flavor. Again, not promoting anything. I just like the flavor and I add a bit of it. I want to make it fun. These are all washed fruits. I add a few fruits. So whatever I have in my fridge right now, I have strawberry and I have blueberries. So I'm going to add these, just cut them into half and just add this. The secret ingredient here is that I like to add is coconut milk. A bit of coconut milk. For all of you who don't like the coconut milk flavor, please do not try this. Don't have this. I am going to add a bit of coconut milk, that's just a splash of it. The choice of sweetener, see, that completely depends on you. Your protein powder can be flavored, or you can take, yes, this is the date powder. You can also add this. Pregnancy is a state where you can be diabetic because of the hormone that gets released between 28 to 32 weeks. So we can't go high on sugar, of course. And I hope this recipe helps. Love yourself.